What's going on, guys? Remember, there is no such thing as luck. I'm going to talk about it. Hang around, hit that subscribe button. I'll be right back. What's going on, guys? Art here, Off the Dome Media Group. Hope you're having a good day, good night, good evening, good morning, whatever it is, the time that you're watching this. My quick talk for the day, of course, something's always on my head, is that there is no such thing as luck. All too often we'll hear, or we'll even be guilty of saying, this person is lucky or that person is lucky and so forth, when in actuality, there is no such thing as luck. So now this isn't my definition. I can't take credit for it. I picked it up years ago when I first got into the real estate business. My mentor suggested me listening to this tape series. It was like 6 or 8 tapes. It was called Lead the Field by Earl Nightingale. And basically, the definition that he gave for luck is that luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. And if luck comes knocking on your door and you're not prepared, it will only make a fool of you. So it took me a while to really kind of understand that. But if you think about it, you say, okay, well, this person is lucky or that person is lucky and things of that nature. But this is how it actually plays out. If luck comes knocking on the door or knocking on your door, let's say somebody walks up and knocks on your door and offers you an opportunity, whatever it may be, a job or a situation or whatever it is that you're looking for. If you haven't prepared yourself for that opportunity, that exact opportunity or that situation, you won't be able to handle it. You might be able to fake your way into it, get in there and so forth, and start. However, your hand will be shown at some point because you haven't prepared yourself. So luck being preparedness meeting opportunity. So you put in the work behind the scene. You chop it up. You do everything that you need to do. You sharpen your axe, whatever metaphor, however you want to look at it. And at some point, this opportunity is presented to you. Well, because you put in the work, you're ready for it, for the most part. Now, of course, you can't be ready for any and all situations that present themselves. But for the most part, if you put in the work and something comes your way based on what you've been preparing for, you should be in a position to handle it. So I'm going to end this by saying this. The person that you see, the man, the woman, or the company, or whatever it is, or whoever it is, moving forward and progressing in the world or whatever they're doing, is not necessarily a lucky situation. Fortunate things do happen all the time. But remember, if they were not prepared for that situation when it presented itself, it would only make a fool of them, or they would not be able to handle it or be ready for it. So that's it. Hope this helps you out. Definitely helps me out to think about it and stay focused. So that's all I have for today on this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow, and share. And have a good day, night, evening, or morning, whatever time it is you're watching this. Peace.